If you love Oreos, you need to see this. These no-bake Oreo dessert bars slice clean, taste like cookies and cream cheesecake, and you don't even turn on the oven. Stick with me because I'm showing you the 2 small tricks that make them set perfectly every time. Here's the lineup: Oreos, butter, cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, a splash of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and whipped topping. Simple ingredients, but the texture comes out bakery level. First trick: parchment paper with an overhang. That overhang is your handle later so you can lift the whole dessert out and get clean, sharp slices. Crush the Oreos into fine crumbs. You want wet sand texture later, not big chunks, because fine crumbs make a crust that holds together. Pour in melted butter and stir until every crumb looks evenly coated. If it still looks dusty, it needs a little more mixing. This is what makes the base sliceable. Second trick: press it down hard. Use a flat measuring cup and really pack it in, especially the corners. A tight crust is the difference between clean bars and crumbly chaos. Pop the crust in the fridge for 10 minutes while you make the filling. It's optional, but it helps the layers stay crisp and defined. Beat softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth. Take your time here because once it's smooth now, it stays smooth in the final bars. Now add sweetened condensed milk, a splash of vanilla, and a tiny pinch of salt. The salt doesn't make it salty, it makes the Oreo flavor taste louder and richer. Fold in whipped topping until it looks fluffy and cloud-like. Don't overmix, just fold until it's smooth and light. This is what gives you that soft, mousse-white bite. Add chopped Oreos. I like a mix of small bits and a few bigger pieces, so every bite has creamy filling and that little Oreo crunch. Spread the filling right over your crust and smooth it out. You're aiming for an even layer because even layers chill evenly and slice cleaner. Top with extra Oreo crumbs, maybe mini chocolate chips if you want. Cover it and chill at least 4 hours. Overnight is the move if you want those razor-sharp slices. Here's the clean slice trick. Warm your knife in hot water, wipe it dry, then cut. Repeat between slices. It takes 30 extra seconds and your bars look like a bakery tray. And that's it: creamy, thick, no-bake Oreo dessert bars that disappear fast. If you want the full written recipe, storage tips, and flavor variations, I put the link in the first pinned comment or just go to nobakedessertslab.com.